Welcome back. In this video we'll talk about dynamic hashing and we'll discuss in detail extendable hashing. Now dynamic hashing, it allows the hash function to be modified dynamically to accommodate the growth or shrinking of the database. Extensible hashing. Now this is what it is, a dynamic hashing. So extendable hashing copes with the changes in database size by splitting if database grows or merging when database shrink buckets. Okay, and hence space efficiency is retained. Okay, now we just see the working principle of extensible hashing. Now this is what our database, say if it is our data file, so three data are there, roll number and subject. So roll 1 to 9 are there, these are the names, Sachin, Virat, Lakshman, etc. and subject, say physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. So first of all we have to create a hash function for the subjects. Now say physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, computer science and singing and so on, and here we allocate 32 bits for each and every subjects. Are you getting this one? Now so here 4 bits, so 8 different combinations are there. So 4 into 8, so 8 columns are there, so 4 into 8, 32 bits are there. Now initially we start with the initial bit, so first bit from the leftmost. Okay, so 0, 1, and when time grows, when data file size increases, we just increase the number of bits. Are you getting this one? So for the time being we just concentrate only this particular part, to identify the hash function. We use this one for hashing this particular part. Now let initially the file is empty. Okay, and we insert a records one by one. So initially the file is empty, nothing is there. So are you getting this one? So initially the file is empty and nothing is there inside this particular file, in this particular bucket. We insert a record one by one. So we have to take the data. So these are the data. We have to take the data and we have to store into the memory. So we have to take the data one by one. Assume a bucket can hold only 2 records. This is what our bucket, and it can hold only 2 records. Now this is only to explain the example. Practically it can hold many more. Okay, so first of all you just see insert 01 Sachin physics, insert roll number Sachin physics. Now so initially it is empty, nothing is there, and here we have to this is what our hash prefix, and here it is bucket address table. This is called bucket address table, and here hash prefix is initially it is 0, nothing is there. This is called, we call it is hash prefix. It is called hash prefix. Now first data is what? Roll number 1 Sachin physics. So we can directly store without any comparison, without any checking. So 01 Sachin physics. Now for the sake of for the explanation purpose, we just write down the first 4 digit of the physics. So first 4 digit of the physics subject is 0010. So you just write down 0010. This is nothing but our first 4 digit of the hash function of the subject physics. Okay, so first data we have inserted. Now next insert, we have to insert roll number 2 Virat and chemistry. So roll number 2 Virat chemistry. Now once we have, so you can see here, in this case here the space is there. So each and every bucket can hold only 2 records. So only 1 record is there. That means what? We can accommodate 1 more record here. So roll number 1 Sachin physics already present here, and here we just insert the second record, that is roll number 2 Virat and chemistry. So here first 4 digit is 0010 and second digit is what? For the second student, here the first 4 digits are 1010, that is for chemistry, 1010, that is for chemistry, 1010. Are you getting this one? Next, insert third roll number 03 Lakshman mathematics. Now this particular bucket is full. So what we have to do? We have to redistribute the current records. We need one more buckets. So question is how to create a bucket and how to redistribute the records in this particular buckets. Okay, now if it is a 0 bit, means what? It is a means what? We can store only one data. Now if it is a single bit is there, so if you take the first digit, okay, single digit, digit 1 in hash prefix, 1 digit means what? one bit, one bit we may represent one is it initially it is 0 or it is 1. So if it is a single bit, it may be 0 or it may be 1. So if it is 0, so that means what? In this particular bucket address table, there are two parts for 0 and for 1. Okay. Now here see the subjects. So initially it was physics and chemistry in the bucket 1. Next subject is what? Mathematics. So you just see one by one. So physics. So for physics, first 4 digit is what? 0010. 0010. For chemistry, it is already there, and its first 4 digit is what? 1010. That is 1010. That is nothing but our 1010. Next subject is what? Mathematics. So mathematics it is what? Mathematics it is 1101. Okay. So here it is 1101. Now if you see only the first bit, first most leftmost bit, so these two, chemistry and mathematics, it is what? It is 1 and 1. It is 1, and this first bit is what? 0. So keep physics in one bracket, single bracket, and keep these two record in another bucket. So we can say this is for the bucket 0, and this is for these two are the records for bucket 1. So store these two records in bucket 1, store this particular record in bucket 0. So bucket 0 means what? Where the initial bit is 0. So here it is 0. So here you have to put the for physics. So we can see this one. So 0 1 Sachin physics, and second bucket where the initial two bits are the leftmost bit is 1 1. Here we store chemistry and mathematics. So chemistry is the roll number 2 Virat chemistry, roll number 2 Virat chemistry, and mathematics that is roll number 3 Lakshman math, roll number 3 Lakshman math. Okay, so here in for these two subjects the leftmost bit is what? It is 1, and here leftmost bit is what? Is 0. Now next record is what? Insert 04 Jahir physics. So next fourth one is what? Roll number 4 Jahir physics. Now this is what? Subject is physics. So initial first port bit was 0010. So 0010. So first bit is what? It is 0. So just check this one 0, and it just checks this particular bucket whether the space is there or not to store. Now the space is there, so here you can store roll number 4, okay, Jahir, and the subject physics. Because the space is there, we can store the fourth record here. Okay. Now we can see here, after inserting the roll number 4, all the buckets are full. That means what? That means what? If you want to insert one more record, that means what? You have to split this particular bucket. Okay. So next is what? Say insert roll number 5 Rafi and biology. And what is the initial bits for the biology? Initial 4 bits 1011. So physics is what? It is 0010. Okay, so already we know for physics 0010. Chemistry it is 1010. Chemistry it is 1010. Mathematics it is 1101. Okay, mathematics 1101. And biology is what? It is 1011. Biology is what? It is 1011. Now suppose we want to insert one more record, that means what? We have to increase the hash prefix value. So we can, because what? We need to store one more record. So where we can store? Because it is full. So we need one means what? We need more combinations. We have to increase this particular bucket size. So how you can increase? Because of we have to increase this particular hash prefix value. Now if you increase the hash prefix value to 2, that means what? The combinations are what? It is 00, 01, 10 and 11. Are you getting this one? Now if you see this particular record where hash function for first 2 digit only, because here hash prefix is what? It is 2. Hence we have to see the first 2 records. Okay, so the first 2 records, this is first 2 records for physics, it is 00. For chemistry and biology, you just see for chemistry and biology it is 1010, and for mathematics it is 11. So here hash prefix, the combinations are what? 00, 01, 10, 11. That means maximum 4 records, maximum 4 blocks we can create, we can accommodate. So for 00, 01, 10 and 11. Now we can see here 00, 10 and 11 is there. Bucket, the combination 01 combination is not there. This particular 01 combination is not there. That's why here we can see there is no 01 combination. Are you getting this one? So 00, for 00 we can create one bucket. For 0 1 we can create another bucket, but the present data, there is no data, or there is no subject where initial two bits are 0 and 1. Hence, for 0 1 we don't have any bucket separately. Okay, now 1 0 we need bucket because 1 0 is there, and 1 1 we need bucket because 1 1 is there. So for 0 0 we need bucket because of this physics. For 0 1 we need bucket, we don't require any bucket because there is no subject. Okay, so create a bucket 0 0 1 0 and 1 1. So 0 0, that means what? Where physics are there. So already we have seen that roll number 1 Sachin physics, roll number 4 Jahir physics. So here you have to store roll number 1 Sachin physics, roll number 4 Jahir physics. Okay, now it is over. Next is what we can see, the Virat. So here chemistry, if it is a chemistry and biology you can put together. So if it is a chemistry, so chemistry is what? 0 to Virat chemistry. Here you have to put 0 to Virat chemistry. Okay, and here the biology, it is initial two bits are also 1 0. So biology, here the new data 0 5 Rafi biology, here you have to store in this particular bucket, because here for the subject biology, initial two bits are also the same as chemistry. So we have to insert in 1 0. Next is what? One more data is there, that is 0 3 Lakshman maths. So for maths, it is initial two bits are 1 1. So in 1 1 we have to store 0 3 Lakshman math, because for the math subject these two are the 1 1. So that's why you store here. Are you getting this one? And but the first two digits 0 1 is not there, so 0 1 are not there. So this particular table, bucket address table, pointing to the previous one. So the previous one is what? 0 0. So it pointing to the previous bucket. Okay. The next is what? Insert roll number 6 Lata math. Now we have completed all this. Next is what? Roll number 6 Lata and maths. So this particular data we want to insert 06 Lata maths. Now for maths, the first four digits for mathematics, first four digit is what? 1101. So it is 1101. Out of this first two digit is what? Is 11. So first of all see where the 11 is there. So we can see 11 is here, and you just see this particular bucket whether any vacant space is there or not. Now the vacant space is there, that means here you can store roll number 6 Lata. Okay, and subject is mathematics. Okay, now the next data is what? Insert roll number 7 Kishore physics. Next is what? Roll number 7 Kishore physics. Now you just see for the physics, okay, the subject first four digits what? It is 0 0 1 0. That means what? It is already present. Physics, it is already present. Now first two digit is 0 0, first two digit is 0 0, and if you see this one, now it is full. Now if it is full, that means what? Already we know we have to split this particular bucket, we have to split this particular data. But the question is, why should we split this one? Because if you split this one, so that the combination will be the different. Okay, so here we can see the splitting where all the buckets, the digits are different. But here if you want to insert another physics, here for this particular physics, it is code is what? 0 0 1 0, and for particular physics it is also 0 0 1 0, and the newly, if you want to insert that particular data, here also this one same. So if you increase the bit, it will not help to insert the data, because whatever may be the physics, every time it is same 0 0 1 0. So if it is the case, in that case what you can do, for the 0 0 we just see if it is a full or not. Now if it is a full, then we can add one more bucket here, okay, dynamically, where we insert the newly data, say data roll number 7 Kishore, okay, and the physics. Okay, because if you want to increase 2 to 3, the combination will be what? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. But this combination is fixed. This combination is fixed, and anyhow we have to accommodate all the physics data in a single bucket, because if you want to increase the bit, so it will be what? For all the physics, always we have to insert in 0 0 1 bucket. So anyhow we have to we have to create one new bucket for this particular code 0001. So here, instead of increasing the hash prefix number, here we just accommodate one more data, one more buckets for the next data physics. So here create link a bucket, link these two bucket, and we can insert the data. Create a bucket, link these two buckets, and insert the data roll number 7, Kishore, and physics. Okay, and the rest are same. Here Sachin, here you can say Sachin Jahir is there, Sachin Jahir is there. Okay, Virat and Rafi is there, Virat and Rafi are there, Lakshman and Lata are there, here Lakshman are there. So only the changes that this portion is same as this particular portion. Only change is what? If you want to insert this particular record, you have to create one bucket and you have to link these two buckets. Are you getting this one? Next data is what? We want to insert roll number 8, Mukesh, and computer science. That means what? We have to insert next record roll number 8, Mukesh, and computer science. Now here you can see, now see the subjects. So the physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and computer science. So physics is what? 0010, chemistry 1010, biology 1011, mathematics 1101, and computer science is what? 0000. Now if it is 00, we cannot insert here because initial it is 00, but we cannot accommodate here. So in that case, if you split it, because if you split it, that means what? We can differentiate this physics and biology. So initially, physics first two digit it is 00, and for computer science, for computer science it is what? 000, it is 00. But if you take the third one, now it is 1, it is 0. That means what? We can create another bucket. Now in this case, we have to increase the hash prefix value. Now it is 2, we have to increase to 3. So now the hash prefix value is 3. So 3 bit means what? So it is 000, 001 to 111. So that means what? It can accommodate 8 buckets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buckets. So if the bucket, we have to accommodate the buckets. If it is 000 here, we have to create a link for the bucket 000 with this particular bucket address table. This is what our bucket address table. This is what our bucket address table. Okay, now you just see one by one. So first of all, so we have to increase the hash prefix value. Now it is 3. So that means combination is what? 000 to 111. So for 000 there is a one bucket. Now we have seen the, if it is a computer science, so first 3 digit we have to put for this particular, for first digit it is for CS. So you have to store 08 Mukesh and computer science. Next is what? 001. So 001 we have seen that for physics it is 001. So for physics we have 3 records, Sachin, Jahir, and Kishore. So what you can do, we just create 2 buckets. So this is for Jahir, Sachin, Jahir, and the Kishore, where all are physics, all the subjects are physics. So here we connect 001 with this particular bucket. So this is the bucket for 001. This is also bucket for 001. Are you getting this one? Next is what? So we have already entered physics. Okay, and we have entered the new data computer science. The remaining are chemistry, biology, mathematics. Now for chemistry and biology, you can see for chemistry and biology initial 3 letters it is 101 and 101. That means what? If you connect 101 with this particular bucket address table to the bucket, okay, here it is 101. So here you store the 02 Virat chemistry and 05 Rafi biology. So 02 Virat chemistry and 05 Rafi biology, because these 2 subjects, chemistry and biology, here for both the subjects the first 3 bits are same. Okay, so it is 101 and biology it is also 101. So for 101 we store these 2 data. Okay, Virat and Ravi. Next is mathematics is there. It is for mathematics is what is it? 110. Okay, so for mathematics we insert what? 110. So 110. So this is the entry value for this particular bucket address table. So it is 110. So if you see this one here, you can see the blue line here. This is where we store these 2 subjects. these two record 03 Lakshman Math and 06 Lata Math, 03 Lakshman Math and 06 Lata Math, for it is 110. Okay, so we have inserted till now we have inserted the 8th grade data. Now we can see here there is a link for 000. Okay, there is a link for 001 because the physics subject. For these two combination 010 and 010 and 011, there is no record. So what it will do for these two record, it will pointing to the previous one. So 010 is pointing to the 001 bucket. Similarly 011 should point to the previous one, 001 bucket. So 001 bucket means what? Physics bucket. Are you getting this one? Similarly 100 bucket is not there. So for this particular also it will pointing to the previous one, that is 001. Are you getting this one? And 101 it is already there, no problem. 110, okay, it is already there. This is for the mathematics 110, but for 111 there is no subject, so it will pointing to the previous one. So it will pointing to the previous combination 110. Are you getting this one? So this is what our previous. Next you have to insert roll number 9 Arijit singing. So here it is for singing. We can see here the first 4 digit of the singing is what? 0110. So 0110. 0110 means what you can insert? So 011. You have to see the 011. So 011 means what? You have to create a bucket, new bucket for this one, because it is pointing to what? It is pointing to the previous bucket. That is what? 001. So we can see here. You can see here already we have 000. Okay, already we have 001, and we have to create a one record for the singing where the first 3 digits are 011. So create a bucket 011, and here you have to insert a data 09 Arijit. Okay, and it is for singing. Rest data are same. Already you have entered Virat and Ravi. Already you have entered Lakshman and Lata. Are you getting this one? So for 000 the data is there. For 001 the bucket is there. For 010 there is no bucket, so it will pointing to the, it points to the previous bucket, so 001. Next 011 is there, just you have insert. Next is what? It is 100. So 100 there is no data, so it is pointing to the previous bucket, so it will be for 011. Next 101 it is there, it is for chemistry and biology. For next it is 110, it is there, it is for mathematics. 111 there is no bucket, so it will pointing to the previous bucket, that is for 110. Okay, now suppose we want to insert roll number 10, say Nagma physics. So for physics already we know, for physics the code is what? 0010. So you have to take first 3 digit. So 001 means what? 001 we have to insert here, but it is full. Now you have to see the next one. Now it is in the space is there where you have to store roll number 10. Okay, Nagma and physics. Next insert 11 Shreya and physics. Another physics is there. So it is also 0010. So first 3 digit is, it is 001. So if it is 001, so you have to insert, it is full, you have to full. So we have to create another bucket for the Shreya, where you can store roll number, say it is 11. Okay, name say Shreya, and subject is physics. Okay, next is what? Insert 12 Ratan maths. So mathematics is what? So if it is a mathematics, the code is what? First 4 digit is what? It is 1101. So we have to take the first 3 digit. So 110 means what? 110. We have to see this one, this particular bucket. Now if it is full, what we have to do? We have to create one more bucket. Okay, and here you have to store the roll number 12 Ratan. Okay, and the subject is mathematics. Suppose one more insert is there. Say insert roll number say 13. Okay, and name say Remo. Okay, and subject say dance. Are you getting this one? Now for this particular, suppose it is here, you have to add one more subject, say dance. Okay, and the code of this particular subject, say it is, you can say it is 11111001 and so on. Now for the dance, the code is what? It is 1111. So for dance, code is what? It is 1111. So we have to see the first 3 digits. So first 3 digit means what? We have to see here, but it is pointing to this one. So that means what? For this particular, we need one new phrase bucket. So here we need one phrase bucket here. Okay, and we have to insert, say, roll number 13, name is Remo, and the subject is dance. And here you have to link this one. So here you have to, instead of link one, you have to link this one, and we have to remove this particular link. Are you getting this one? Next is what? Delete roll number 8, Mukesh, computer science. That means what? We want to delete this particular computer science. So mathematics, delete, it is computer science, it is 0000. So 000 means what? We have to see this one. First you have to see, from here we can get this particular bucket address. Now where roll number 8 is there, now it is there. So we have to remove this particular record. So if you remove this particular record, means what? This particular bucket is empty. Now if this particular bucket is empty, means what? We can remove this particular bucket also. So in this way you can save the memory space. Are you getting this one? Similarly, if you want to delete roll number 12, Ratan, mathematics. Roll number mathematics. So mathematics is what? So for the mathematics, the code is what? 1101. So we have to first search using this particular 3 digit 110. So you can see 110 is there, and if you see this particular bucket, and here roll number 8 is not there, then check another bucket because associated buckets is there. Now roll number 12 is there. So we have to remove this particular record. While remove this particular, now this particular bucket is empty. Now if it is empty, means what? We have to remove this particular bucket. Are you getting this one? So in this way we can implement this integral. And that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.